After Canada government's announcement on 21st, there has been lot of confusion amongst the international travelers. These rules are very confusing and a hassle for many new travelers flying to Canada from India. So in this video, I will try to clear all your doubts and try to explain you these rules in 3 phases. Phase 1 will be pre-border, 2 will be at the border and 3 will be after entry. I will try to explain what is expected from the traveler at each phase. So guys, welcome to my channel, and like always, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. Before moving to our 3 phases, I'll try to answer few doubts of travelers who are planning to travel Canada. First and foremost, who can travel Canada? जैसे कि मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में भी बताया है कि कैनेडा सिटीजन, पीआर होल्डर्स, वर्क परमिट होल्डर्स and international students with valid study permit can enter Canada in current scenario. Second doubt is, when will Canada quarantine end? So beginning July 5th, 2021, fully vaccinated travelers will not be subject to federal requirement to quarantine or take a COVID-19 test on day 8. अभी कौन से travelers will be regarded as fully vaccinated? So to be considered fully vaccinated, a traveler must have received the full series of vaccine or a combination of vaccines accepted by Government of Canada at least 14 days prior to entering Canada. So इसमें हमारा कोविडशील्ड भी आ जाता है. हमें सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि वी नीड टू टेक बोथ दी शॉट्स 14 days प्रायर एंटरिंग कैनेडा. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का ये भी डाउट था कि जो हमारे इंडियन वैक्सीनेशन सर्टिफिकेट्स है विल बी हेल्ड वैलिड एट कैनेडियन बॉर्डर और नॉट. Simple answer to this is yes, because vaccination certificates in India are already issued in English and with a QR code. So अगर फ्यूचर में अगर QR code का भी अगर रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगा, so we already have it. Many international students also had a doubt that can they still travel through indirect route? So the answer to this is travelers from India may still be able to come to Canada. However, they will have to travel via an indirect route and will need to get a COVID-19 test from their last point of departure. Apart from this, if you guys have any other doubt, please do mention it in the comment. I'll try my best to clarify those. Even if you are a fully vaccinated traveler, there are some protocols you need to follow while entering Canada. Phase 1 है प्री बॉर्डर. यहाँ पे आपको आपके क्वारंटीन प्लान के साथ रेडी रहना है. You need to pre-register for your arrival test. 72 hours before आपको अपना COVID-19 molecular test करवाना है and use ArriveCan app to enter all the information. आपको आपका ArriveCan receipt और documents भी ready रखना है, including digital और paper copy of proof of vaccination. अभी आपको ArriveCan में भरना क्या रहेगा? So ArriveCan में आपको आपके contact and travel information, 14-day travel history, quarantine plan, confirmation of a negative pre-entry test और पॉजिटिव टेस्ट टेकन 14 to 90 days प्रायर टू ट्रैवल, और आपका प्रूफ ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन. और यहाँ पे आपको आपका सेल्फ असेसमेंट भी करना रहेगा. इट जस्ट लाइक हाउ वी डू इट इन आरोग्य सेतु ऐप. Moving on to a second phase, which is at the border. So here you need to provide required information and documents, including proof of vaccination if requested. Answer all eligibility, vaccination and health screening questions. Complete your arrival test on site if services are available. If not, then you can also collect a home test kit to use when you arrive at your destination. At arrival, if you show any symptoms or do not meet the requirements, follow the instructions provided by the government representative. Third phase is after entry. If you meet all the entry requirements and are fully vaccinated, you are exempted from quarantine, government authorized hotels, and day 8 COVID-19 test. If you got a home test kit, complete and send it to the lab. If your arrival test is positive, you must follow the instruction of your local public health authority, including quarantine or isolation. Keep your proof of vaccination for 14 days. सो आई होप दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रूव्स हेल्पफुल टू यू. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोज़ इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगते हैं, सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब so that it will motivate me to do more such videos.